Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 7. We made it a whole week. We're doing these baby steps, we're knocking them out. And today's baby step is to start your before bed routine. And so this is going to be another thing that we're going to add to our habit toolbox, and it involves laying out our clothes the night before. I know we're taking it back elementary school style, we're taking it back middle school, where our clothes were laid out the night before. But if you think about it, it is something that you have to make a decision on every morning. And our mind can go into decision fatigue if we have to make a lot of decisions throughout the day. So taking that out of the equation in the morning is going to make it so much easier to kind of jump into your day and not have to think about that. So I love this step. I think it's going to be a little challenging for me specifically, and I don't know if you can relate to this, but I happen to feel like I don't have a lot of clothes. I don't know if anybody feels me on that or can relate. But I have made a decision that I'm not going to be a perfectionist about it. I don't need to look like a supermodel every day. I'm a mom, and I do want to look nice, but I'm going to go with what I have and go with what I have. So I would encourage you to do the same. Don't overthink it. Just lay out something that you're going to be comfortable in. That helps you to be able to get done what you need to do throughout the day. If you haven't already, I've linked below. I made a calendar with all the 31 baby steps for you to download and be able to print out and follow along. And please subscribe if you want to follow along to these 31 days of baby steps. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.